This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 30 frames per second. We're in a full HD 30 because the wide angle is only compatible with full HD 30, which is a downgrade, a huge downgrade. It's definitely not a flagship experience. Well, this is how it looks like. If you're on a vlog with full HD, in 2024, I don't think you wanted to vlog in full HD. But let's continue to a 4K. And now we are in the 4K. Alright. 4K experience. Telephoto. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an electronic telephoto, so a lot of noise. Tons of it. The periscope zoom is not in 4K. Only full HD. There you go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 for the periscope zoom. Okay, can we read that? Yes, we can. Alright, for the periscope zoom. And you can switch lenses all the way from wide angle to the telephoto. But come on, full HD? No. No. Going back to 4K and autofocus speed, oh, very fast. Swing. Macro, can we do macro? If we zoom, yeah, we can do macro. Very nice. Very nice. Front facing camera, full length of my arm, also full HD, 30 frames per second. You can zoom out a little bit or zoom in if you wanted to. Let's zoom out. The wider it is, the better it is. Full length of my arm. What else do we have in this smartphone? So what do we have in this smartphone? We have night mode, street mode, whatever that is. Video, and like I said, mostly it's full HD. Photo, how much zoom are we going to have? Oh, 120, but it's very pixelated. I think everything above 10 is pixelated. So, there you go. Yeah. HDR photo if you want to. Portrait. Bam. Ah, did you notice how glitchy it is when I'm recording the screen? Ooh, so the built-in memory must be not great. What else do we have? Dual video. What does that mean? It means you can record in two cameras at the same time. You can switch the layout for whatever you like. You can put it whatever you like. You can switch from here to there. There's a bokeh effect available, but it says bokeh, but this is a beauty mode, not a bokeh. And maybe a bokeh for the face. I don't like it. Anyway. What else? Movie mode, just very wide. Very wide. Alright. Pro mode. And in Pro mode you can shoot RAW if you wanted to. Portrait group. High res photo. Alright. So there's that. Let me show you some photos. Some. A little bit of photos, like you can see, pretty nice. A lot of details. Those are the high resolution photos. Again, high resolution, very nice bokeh, very nice colors. A lot of details. And with the telephoto, it's a little less details, but with a periscope, it's okay, I guess. It's okay. Selfies? I don't know. Night? It's okay, I guess. It's okay. Colors. It's not oversaturating the colors, which is great. But it is oversharpening the image. It looks like from the smartphone. That's a fact. And sometimes that bokeh effect is just too aggressive. Look at this one. Everything is blurred. Just the middle is sharp. Just strange. Conclusion? This is a medium range smartphone with a mediocre full HD camera. Okay, in full HD it's okay, but in 4K no. No. And in this price range, you can buy Galaxy S22, which is like in a different league in the camera department. But in the camera department, this has a beautiful screen, a huge battery, but the Galaxy also has a huge battery. And okay, its battery is not that huge, but the screen is fantastic. S22 has a beautiful screen. So I don't know. You'll be better off buying an old flagship than this one. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.